Bonjour mes amis, Tavy Basie here from French Speak. And if you understand how reflexive verbs work, it's the time to look at the version of verbs that have a reflexive and a non-reflexive version because they carry different meanings. Par exemple, appeler and s'appeler. Appeler is to phone, s'appeler to be named. Leur chat s'appelle Tintin. Elle a appelé les pompiers parce que Tintin était coincé dans l'arbre. Leur chat s'appelle Tintin, is named. Elle a appelé les pompiers parce que Tintin était coincé dans l'arbre. She phoned, with the passé composé of to phone. Aller et s'en aller. Aller is not reflexive, but we have a version with s'en aller. To go versus to go away and leave. Je m'en vais après le repas. Je ne peux pas rester tard. Je vais au marché paysan tous les samedis. Aller and s'en aller are a pair to look out for. Attendre et s'attendre à. Attendre, to wait. S'attendre à, to expect. Ils ne s'attendront pas à ça. 3 lycéens attendaient le bus. S'attendre à is to expect, but attendre without the reflexive pronoun is just to wait. Demander and se demander. Watch out for that extra little word here. Demander is to ask, but se demander is to wonder or to ask yourself. Elle se demande si c'est la vérité. They wonder. Vous demandez souvent à vos voisins de faire moins de bruit? Vous demandez souvent à vos voisins de faire moins de bruit? You're just asking someone here. Ennuyer versus s'ennuyer. Getting bored versus bothering someone. Pendant le trajet en voiture de 5 heures, on risque de s'ennuyer. And with ennuyer, not reflexive, arrête d'ennuyer ton frère tout de suite. Stop bothering him. When it's reflexive, it's to get bored. When it's not, it's just to bother someone. Trouver versus se trouver. Trouver can be find or think. Se trouver is always to be located. Le musée se trouve devant la place. With trouver, tu trouves que ça sent bon? Do you think? Do you reckon it smells good? Trouver by itself is very useful. Se trouver with the extra reflexive is also helping you express something different. Occuper versus s'occuper de. Occuper, to occupy or to fill. S'occuper de is to take care of, to look after. Elle s'occupe de ranger ses affaires avant de partir. Mes études occupent tout mon temps. Elle s'occupe de ranger, but mes études occupent tout mon temps. Another pair to watch out for is reposer ou se reposer. Listen out for that little reflexive. Reposer is to put something back down, and se reposer is to rest. Les nouveaux mariés se sont reposés pendant leur lune de miel. With reposer, we could say elle ne veut plus ce sac, alors elle le repose. Then we have emporter et s'emporter. Emporter is to take. S'emporter is to get carried away. Il s'emporte pour un rien. gets carried away over nothing. To take, we could say il emporte toujours un peu de monnaie avec lui, juste au cas où. This one are your mystery verbs. No. Mettre is to put, and se mettre à is to start or to begin. Je me mettrais à courir si je voyais un lion. Je me mettrais à. It's the reflexive, se mettre à. I would start running if I saw a lion. But to put, je mettrais mes clés dans ma poche. I'll put my keys in my pocket. Accrocher and s'accrocher à. To hang versus to hold on to. S'accrocher à is to hold on to something. Il faut s'accrocher à ses rêves. To hang, we could say il faut accrocher le tableau au mur avant qu'ils arrivent. It's necessary to hang or we must hang. Entendre versus s'entendre. I hear a lot of confusion about this one. Entendre is simply to hear, but s'entendre means to get along. Est-ce que vous vous entendez avec vos beaux-parents? There's a double vous. The second vous is because of the reflexive s'entendre. Est-ce que vous vous entendez avec vos beaux-parents? Do you get along with your parents-in-law, with your in-laws or your parents-in-law? If I was to remove the second vous, I would have est-ce que vous entendez vos beaux-parents? Can you hear your in-laws without the avec? So a little bit of context will usually help distinguish them, but you're really relying on the difference between entendre and s'entendre. To hear is entendre. Je n'ai pas entendu. Vous pouvez répéter, s'il vous plaît? Very handy sentence. Je n'ai pas entendu. Vous pouvez répéter, s'il vous plaît? Then we have prendre. You've most likely seen that verb before. Se prendre à is to lash out at, as opposed to prendre, which is just to take. Se prendre à. Je ne me suis pas pris à lui. I didn't lash out at him. As opposed to take. Je ne prends plus le métro seul le soir. I no longer take the metro alone at night time. Enlever and s'enlever. They have different meanings too. Enlever is to abduct or to kidnap. S'enlever is to remove. Cette touche de mon clavier s'enlève facilement. Cette touche de mon clavier s'enlève facilement. This key from my keyboard is easily removed. Cet enfant a été enlevé, mais il est finalement rentré chez ses parents sain et sauf. This child was abducted, but eventually returned to his parents' home safe and sound. Enlever versus s'enlever. Entourer versus s'entourer is another pair to watch out for. Entourer is to circle something, and s'entourer is to surround yourself. Je m'entoure toujours de personnes positives. I always surround myself with positive people. As opposed to just entourer, not reflexive, j'entoure l'arrêt de bus sur votre plan de la ville. It might be something la réceptionniste à l'hôtel does for you. I'm circling the bus stop on your city map. Superb. Now, if you would like some more help to pronounce and understand French better, I have a course that takes you through 12 different modules focused on different things. Some are verb pronunciation, like we just saw. noticing the little reflexive pronoun is key to be able to understand the sentence that's just been spoken to you or that you've overheard, so that you understand the difference between them. We also focus on French vowel sounds, nasal sounds, look at numbers, and many more. As I said, there's 12 different modules, 12 different focus points. You can go and check it out here. French pronounce listen.gr8.com. You can screenshot this if you like. I'd love to help you in this course. 12 weeks with 24 video lessons that come to you. The first lesson of each module is help with pronunciation, the mechanics of how to place your mouth, tongue, jaw. Is it a nasal sound? Is it not? Where in the throat should you feel it? All of those details of pronunciation so that you can pronounce it perfectly. And the second video of each module is still on the same focus area, but this time we work on your understanding. So we do some listening practices and we start challenging you with that particular topic. So if you'd like more information, check the description below. I hope you loved this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, a comment, let me know any questions you may have, and I will see you in the next video. Merci.